Good morning, students. So this is Teacher Sally. So today we are going to learn the classroom objects. Are you ready? If you are ready, then let's begin. Let's have the vocabulary words. I'm going to read it first, then follow after teacher. We're going to read and spell the word. Okay, let's have the first one. The word sharpener. Sharpener. Everybody say sharpener. Sharpener. S-H-A-R-P-E-N-E-R. Sharpener. Sharpener. Very good. Okay, next one. We have eraser. Eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. Very good. Next we have school bag. School bag. S-C-H-O-O-L-B-A-G. School bag. School bag. All right. Okay, next we have the word pencil. Everybody say pencil. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Very good. Okay, next we have book. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Great job. Okay, next we have ruler. Ruler. R-U-L-E-R. Ruler. Ruler. Very good. Now, we're going to read all together. Sharpener. Sharpener. Eraser. Eraser. School bag. School bag. Pencil. Pencil. Book. Book. Ruler. Ruler. So this time, we're going to use it in a sentence. So our questions goes like this. What is it? What is it? What is it? So you will say, it's an eraser. It's an eraser. What is it? It's an eraser. All right. So next one. What is it? What is it? It's a pencil sharpener. It's a pencil sharpener. Very good. Next one. What is it? What is it? It's a school bag. It's a school bag. Excellent. Okay, next. What is it? What is it? It's a pencil. It's a pencil. Next. How about that one? What is it? What is it? It's a book. It's a book. Good job. Next one. What is it? What is it? So you will say, it's a ruler. It's a ruler. Very good. Now, let's review. So what is it? What is this picture? Sharpener. So this is a sharpener. It's a sharpener. Next one. How about this picture? What is it? What is it, student? Eraser. Good job. Eraser. It's an eraser. Very good. Okay, next. How about this one? What is it? School bag. School bag. Good job. It's a school bag. It's a school bag. Next one. How about this one? What is it? Pencil. Pencil. It's a pencil. It's a pencil. Very good. Next one. How about this picture? The color is green. What is it? Book. Book. All right. It's a book. It's a book. Very good. How about this one? What is it? Ruler. Ruler. It's a ruler. It's a ruler. Alright, so that's all for today and thank you for listening.